Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I still wanted to do the swatch and review of the 2020 spring collection by Essie. So this collection is already like a year old, I'd say, but I have purchased a lot of the 2020 collection back in October when it was my 30th birthday, and I definitely still wanted to do all of the swatches and review of all of the collections that I bought then. So yeah, of course I am still on the lookout to get my hands on the 2021 spring collection. So once I have that one standing on my desk ready to be swatched and reviewed, recorded, edited and so on, you will definitely see it back on my YouTube channel, but I haven't gotten that one yet. So first up, I'm showing you here all of the colors really quick. Of course, I am going to do 2 coats swatching these on my own natural nail, and I am going to apply an Essie base on forehand, which I will show you in a little bit. So yeah, this is an older collection, but it is still available. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. And of course, become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But here you can see, this is the base that I'm going to use. I actually got it from the 2020 Advent Calendar by Essie, which I have purchased myself as well. Like all of the polishes that I'm showing you in this particular swatch and review video, I have purchased myself. I'm not being sponsored or paid or anything like that to do this video shared with you or anything. I just really love collecting nail polishes, swatching them, and the whole shebang. But yeah, let's continue with the first color already. And this one is called Rainwear Don't Care. It is a very lovely, super wearable beigey nude color. It is completely creamy. There isn't any shimmer or glitter in there. It is just a very lovely, neutral, and most of all, wearable color, which is also perfect to use as a base color for nail art, for example. I think it's a really nice one to have in your collection. As far as color-wise, I don't feel like it is a super unique color, but I do like the formula on this one. I don't feel like it is super thin or anything like that. Of course, the first coat is always a thin layer for me personally. I just prefer applying thin coats because I don't want to wait an eternity for my polishes to be completely dry. But this color, it's just a nice basic one. It isn't super special, but it is a nice one to have in your collection, especially if you do a lot of like stamping nail art and so on. And if you're looking for a nice base color to work on, this one is your choice. Like, definitely, it's a really nice one. It is not as stark or vibrant as if you would choose a white as a base for nail art. But yeah, let's continue with the second one, because this is one of those colors, when I look at it, I just feel happy. It just really is a joyful color in my opinion. And yeah, I pretty much love it. It definitely is a spring color. This one is called Feeling Wellies, and I think the name is so cute. It definitely reminds me of those cute little like rain welly boots kind of things that I had as a child. I think they're really cute, really fun. And it's just a very like positive, happy color. I would describe this one as an, I'd say, pastel orangey kind of cream color. I don't know. It isn't like super orange, maybe more of like a peachy, milky drink or something like that. I don't know why I'm comparing nail polishes to colors of food and drinks, but that's just the way my mind works. But yeah, on the first coat it still was quite sheer, and the second coat wasn't fully opaque either. So if you are going to try this one for yourself and you have longer natural nails like I do, I would definitely go for a third thin coat to make it completely opaque. But other than that, I wasn't disappointed in this color at all. As I mentioned, it's just a fun, happy, joyful color, and once again, really nice to use in nail art as well. The substancy is quite similar to the other colors from this collection, and yeah, I'm not disappointed. It's a cute color. The next one is definitely one of my favorites from this collection because you know me, I love my pinks, and this one has the most gorgeous blue shimmer in there. It is insane. I love it so much. This one is called Kissed by Mist, and it is kind of like a girly kind of baby pink, quite creamy on its own, but it has a ton of gorgeous blue, kind of like iridescent shimmer going on in there. It's really, really gorgeous. Once again, the substance is quite similar to the other colors, but there is a lot of shimmer in there. So on the first coat, it still was quite sheer. But yeah, I really wasn't disappointed at all. I have had Essie polishes in my collection that actually needed 4 coats to be completely opaque, and there wasn't even any shimmer or anything like that in there. So yeah, I really do feel like the newer polishes, especially from 2019, 2020 on, have a better formula, and a lot of them only need 2 coats on my natural nails, and I really like an opaque finish. Like sometimes if a polish is like 90 to 95% opaque, I'm pretty much cool with that as well. Like I wouldn't necessarily add a 3rd layer, and especially if you do have shorter nails, 2 coats is usually good to go. I just don't like my natural smile line peeking through, and this 2nd coat of this color wasn't disappointing me at all. As you can see here, it is like a 95% opaque. I do have a little bit of streakiness going on or patchiness around the cuticle area, but that is just because I overworked the polish a bit and picked up a little extra polish with the brush while applying the 2nd coat. But yeah, I am quite happy with that color. The next one is actually a really cute lilac-y color, and this one has a little bit of a shimmer going on in there as well. Oh, for the record, all of these polishes contain 13.5 milliliters and are about 10 euros here in the Netherlands. But this color is actually called Spring in Your Step, and it's just a really cute lavender pastel purple kind of color with kind of like a golden purpley pinkish kind of shimmer going on in there. It kind of depends on how the light like hits it, what it looks like, because on my nail it looks kind of like pinky purpley, almost like an orangey kind of shimmer in there, but in other lighting it looks a little different. So yeah, it is quite a unique and eye-catching polish in my opinion. This first coat is still quite sheer. I don't mind that. I usually go for 2 coats anyways, even though there are polishes out there that are perfect 1 coaters. I just apply a 2nd coat anyway, because I'd rather be safe than sorry when it comes to my polishes and opaqueness. And of course, adding an extra layer to your nail actually helps to protect your nail as well, especially if you are rocking longer natural nails like I do. An extra coat of polish doesn't hurt anyone. So yeah, this color is really cute. It is a very light, like lilac-y purple kind of tone, but it does have a little bit of like pinkish going on in there as well, especially because of the shimmer that is in there. The next color is actually completely creamy, no shimmer or glitter or anything like that. It is quite a unique color as well in my opinion. I feel like it is kind of like a muted down dusty olive color. This one is called Can Do Attitude. It is such a unique color. I don't have a lot of colors in my collection that are similar or even a little bit close to it. So yeah, I really loved to like add this color to my collection as well. I think it's a really fun color. It is very wearable. It isn't like as in your face as some of the others in this collection actually are. Like the pink and the orangey tone are quite like popping, if you know what I mean. But this is just a very nice creamy color. The first coat, I'm not mad about that at all. It is like 80% opaque. There's still some streakiness going on in there, but for a first coat it was pretty good, especially if you know that lighter colors like pastel kind of colors can be quite hard to get opaque in just 2 coats. I was really happy with that first layer already, and as you can see right here, the second coat made it fully opaque and I didn't even apply that much of product. So yeah, I am really happy with this color. There is like a little bit of yellowness going on in this one as well, as you can see mostly in the bottle, but it's just a lovely cute green color. And you guys know me, usually I don't like green colors, and this one is definitely one of my favorites. And I will definitely be wearing it a lot this upcoming spring season. But the next color already is actually a nice grayish kind of light blue. This one is called Make a Splash, and this color reminds me of mermaids. It has a very dimensional kind of color shifting shimmer in here as well, just like one of the previous colors did. And yeah, I'm obsessed. I really wasn't expecting this one to be quite opaque with just 2 thin coats either, but I'm pretty surprised. I have to say I'm quite surprised with like the opaqueness and just substance of these polishes. I didn't expect that at all. I pretty much expected them to be like 3 coaters, like all of them, especially because the colors are so light. But yeah, I really am impressed with this collection. And even though this collection came out like a year ago, like 11 months ago or something like that, I can't wait to see what Essie is coming out with for this spring season. I'm really intrigued. I'm really excited. I haven't seen anything on it yet, so I definitely have to do some research and see if the next collection will be even better than this one. So yeah, no spoilers yet, please. I really hope to get my hands on the next collection soon. But to finish off this video, this is the 6th and final color of the 2020 spring collection. They are still available online, so if you're curious, just look at those. You can get them from different like sellers on eBay, Amazon, maybe even your local drugstore. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section down below. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in one of my next videos.